Hello! In today's video we're gonna learn how to say "Where were you?" in Swiss German. So maybe you were at home. Wo bist gsi? Ich bin daheim gsi. Or you were at the office. Wo bist gsi? Ich bin im Büro gsi. Maybe you were at the bakery. Wo bist gsi? Ich bin in der Bäckerei gsi. Or maybe in the garden. Wo bist gsi? Ich bin im Garten gsi. Maybe you were on holiday. Wo bist gsi? Ich bin in der Ferien gsi. So, let's repeat the small dialogues again. Wo bist gsi? Ich bin daheim gsi. Wo bist gsi? Ich bin im Büro gsi. Wo bist gsi? Ich bin in der Bäckerei gsi. Wo bist gsi? Ich bin im Garten gsi. Wo bist gsi? Ich bin in der Ferien gsi. Wow, super! Also, ich wünsche euch einen schönen Tag. I wish you a nice day, and if you are interested in having some lessons with me online, so please click the link below. Bye!